How to set whether apps can use Wi-Fi or only mobile data, only or both. And this is for Samsung phones with Android 13. And these are going to be for all the apps found on your phone itself. Let's get started. When you're ready to find this network settings, simply use the quick panel access, pull it down once or twice until you see the settings gear icon right here. Tap on it one time, and in the search settings right here, tap here. You'll type in the words network access for. Just go ahead and type that in, and you're going to see this suggestion right there, allowed networks for apps. Or you can type this in, allowed networks for apps, and it's going to show you where you need to go next. Once you tap on it here one time, it's going to take you there, and you'll see it's going to flash allowed networks for apps, okay? And once you're here now, you'll see all this here. And basically what this does is to choose whether you want a app using your mobile data or Wi-Fi or both. And let's see what other options it has. So just for example or demonstration purposes, let's say Chrome here, I'll see that it says mobile data or Wi-Fi. Or you also just have Wi-Fi only or just the mobile data only, okay? And you can come back and change these settings at any given time, like and sub.